So we're given the graph of y equals sine x for minus 180 to 180. So that's on the x-axis, minus 180 to 180. And on the y-axis, well, it is as expected. It goes up and down from minus 1 to 1, like that. And there is the sine wave that I hope you are all familiar with. Okay. So we're asked to sketch the graph of y equals sine x minus 2. So we're asked to transform this graph in some way. Now, what is this transformation? Well, it's just a minus 2. And that's take 2 off all the y values essentially, because y is sine x. And so it is move down, okay, or translate, if you like, move down 2 units, okay? Or we could say translate, if I can spell translate, there we go, translate by the vector 0, minus 2 would be another way of saying that. But let's just say move down 2 units. And so we just have to literally drop this graph down by 2 units. Let's look at the key points. So that the 0 at minus 180 there, it just goes down by 2 to there. Look at minus 90, that's already at minus 1, so that goes to minus 3. There's minus 3 on the y-axis. There's another 0 at the origin, and so that goes down to minus 2. There's a 1 at 90, and if you take minus 2, or if you take 2 off 1, you get minus 1, so that's there. And then the 0 at 180 also drops down by 2, and now we just have to draw a sine wave through that. Okay, and as long as it's nice and smooth, and goes through the points, they're not going to quibble too much because it's not a terribly easy thing to draw. But there we go. I've slightly missed the point in the middle, but it's very clear what my intention is. So I would get both the marks.